y'all. Got our bracket loose. All right, we got to bang this off, dog, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we knocked that T25 into the safety screw, and bam, got to come out. All right, y'all, let's finish this job. And as well, you might have to sand some of this rust down off the surface so it can finish flat now. And y'all, we back for a minute. I'm fighting with this rotor for real, y'all. It's almost off, y'all. And back. All right, y'all, we got it off. Oh, I got the parking brake, all that dirt and debris. All right, y'all, let's get this cleaned up. Be right back. All right, y'all, be back for a minute. This was what was holding it on, y'all. Y'all see all that rust down there? That was what was holding it on, y'all. Yeah. All right, y'all, we all get this cleaned up. All right, y'all, I got this all scrubbed and cleaned and stuff. We're gonna apply some.